China's military made waves with a six-phase drone exercise in Inner Mongolia, featuring everything from ISR drones to FPV and even anti-drone laser systems like the OW-5A50 mounted on an 8x8 truck chassis. It simulated border seizures and swarm defenses, showing off the full spectrum of its unmanned force. In Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan Army helicopters evacuated over 300 tourists stranded by flash floods, as rescue teams searched for around a dozen missing visitors swept away by landslides. The disaster was worsened by monsoon rains and glacial melt. Pakistan is ramping up its AI strategy within defense, integrating machine learning for early warning and decision support, deploying automated surveillance systems, and linking its strategic command center for real-time situational awareness. Analysts warn of both strategic gains and risks in stability. The 1999 Kargil conflict was Pakistan's first modern high-altitude war. It exposed challenges with artillery, altitude effects on ballistics, and supply lines. In response, Pakistan built the Northern Light Infantry and developed NCWF doctrine for mountain-specific operations and inter-service coordination. You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Get your trusted updates, not hype. Subscribe now. India's Defence Ministry has approved a Rs 2,000 crore contract with Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, to procure air defence fire control radars for the Army. These indigenously designed systems, containing at least 70% local content, are capable of detecting incoming fighter jets, attack helicopters, and hostile drones. This deal marks a major leap forward in India's air defense modernization, while supporting domestic defense R&D across AI, photonics, and advanced materials. Pakistan has activated the new $44 million 820-kilometer fiber optic link between Khunjerab Pass and Rawalpindi under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. It provides the first land-based digital backbone to China, reducing reliance on undersea cables and bolstering communication security. Built by Huawei and operated by Pakistan's Special Communications Organization, it traverses high-altitude terrain across Gilgit-Baltistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, and Islamabad. The route also includes 26 microwave relay nodes and 171 km of aerial backup fiber. The project, launched in mid-2016 and completed in July 2018, introduces reliable 3G/4G connectivity to remote northern areas, boosting ICT access and data resilience. A strategic digital corridor is now fully live. As India inches ahead in the hypersonic missile race, testing weapons like the ETLDHCM and LRASHM capable of speeds above Mach 8 and ranges beyond 1,500 kilometers, observers ask, is Pakistan falling behind? With China reportedly supplying Pakistan with DF-17 glide missile tech, Islamabad may chase a reverse engineering edge. The region's hypersonic competition is entering full throttle. Pakistan's naval expansion, focused on Hangar-class submarines, coastal defense installations, and increased Indian Ocean activity, is forcing India to reevaluate its maritime posture. New Indian radar systems like the Surya VHF and ongoing submarine procurement reflect this shift. Islamabad's rising blue water capability continues to reshape the region's naval balance. Pakistan is reportedly collaborating with Turkey to build a homegrown defense industrial ecosystem, from JF-17 and Khan aircraft co-production to guided munitions and drone tech. Turkey's support is helping Pakistan design platforms, establish factories, and train defense personnel. This partnership aims at fostering long-term self-reliance in critical defense areas. If India ever initiates its cold start military doctrine, a rapid, limited strike to avoid full-scale war, Pakistan's response would be swift and calibrated. The deployment of short-range tactical nukes like the Nasr missile, backed by rapid mobilization of mechanized corps and integrated air defense, would neutralize deep thrusts. Strategically, Pakistan relies on early warning, mobility, and its full-spectrum deterrence to avoid escalation. Cold start is risky, and Pakistan's doctrine makes that clear. Despite limited financial resources, Pakistan is pushing smart defense solutions. Focused on indigenous production, dual-use technologies, and strategic partnerships, Islamabad is shrinking costs without shrinking capability. From drones and smart bombs to AI-backed surveillance, the aim is agility over mass. Instead of matching India tank for tank, Pakistan is investing in precision and adaptability, a leaner military built for 21st century warfare. At his first in-person meeting with Pakistan's Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio praised Pakistan's constructive role in promoting both global and regional peace. Rubio highlighted Pakistan's sacrifices in the war on terror and emphasized Islamabad's consistent contributions to regional stability. The two-hour discussion also covered bilateral trade, investment, counter-terrorism cooperation, and shared objectives at multilateral forums. Dar thanked U.S. leaders for their role in de-escalating recent India-Pakistan tensions, reaffirmed Pakistan's desire to deepen and stabilize ties with the U.S., and described the Pakistani diaspora as a key bridge between the countries. So what do you think? Drop your reply to today's question.